So another neat thing you can do under your classwork section and when you click create is to create a question that you can pose to your students. So when I click on that, you'll notice to the right over here, I can decide what type of question it is. Is it going to be a short answer question or a multiple choice? So I'm going to pose my question here. And this will be about a story that they've read. Character faced. Please make, oops, please question. Okay, so, and it's going to be a short answer. If I wanted to actually add a file to this, I could. So let's say it was a short passage. I could actually add that if it was in my Google Drive or if I have a link to a website that has the passage on it, or if I have a file that of the story that I could add to this assignment. Then over here to the right, I'm going to give it my points value, or maybe it's ungraded this time. I'll assign it a due date, put it under my topic. Okay. Now, you'll notice here we have an option where students can reply to each other. So that's going to be turned on automatically. And you can also have it where students can edit their answer. That's not checked automatically. So if I don't want them responding to each other, I have to make sure I uncheck that box. Then I'm going to click my Ask button, which is similar to posting an assignment. So if I go back to my classwork feed here, I'm going to look under literacy, and you'll see that I posed the new question here. Okay, if I go to my student view, I'm going to refresh this. I'm logged in as a student. This is what they will see. So under literacy, they're going to have the question that I posed. And it'll appear like this with the answer space right below it in this same box. Okay, so just going to type any old thing in here and I'm going to click turn in. It's saying, okay, you won't be able to make changes because remember, I didn't have that checked off that they could make changes to it once they turn it in. Okay, and then if I go back to my teacher side, and if I go to classwork, literacy, I'll see that one was turned in. Oops, I can click on it. Clicked on everything here. Let's refresh this. And I'll see that Adam turned it in. This is his answer here. Okay, since this is ungraded, I don't, when I click into here, and this was a short answer question, there's nothing else to see because there wasn't a separate document that I wanted them to work on.